phone decided to turn itself off for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm just making my way back now. I'm about 25 minutes from home. But as long as I take it easy, I've had a couple of pains in my chest last 18 hours. I'm just hoping it's nothing serious. I put my GTM spray out on me, so if I get any chest pains I can just do that. No, if you're not drop dead. Now I can either hear a helicopter or I can hear a ship making a mass noise. I'll keep this going and see WTF is going on. It sounds like a copter actually. And it's right over there, so I would only be able to see it if I was at the top of the cliff. There's a cliff top festival Darren, every year at Gorleston, and I'm determined to go this year. I'm actually determined to go and do as much as I can with the place that I live with my life. Look at that, look. The beach is vast and it's, what can I say, underrated, I think you'll find. Like, not many people know of it, and they should really, because it's beautiful and you get all sorts of stuff, like people doing water magic and stuff like that. As you can hear, my breathing's starting to change, so I better take it easy. Here we go to the earwig, and my my left foot is now starting to play up. Brilliant. Do one last pan. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And stay safe everybody until the next one.